Hello friends, hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. When it comes to female, we all are really worried about our looks, about this unwanted hair on our upper lips, chin, eyebrow. We want it totally perfect. But ever since coronavirus or COVID-19 has stepped into our lives, it is totally disturbed. Even now people are scared. Even if I talk of myself, I'm really scared of going to any parlor. Scared, and I want to share this story with you. Ever since coronavirus has happened, it's almost 4 to 5 months now, I have not gone to parlor. I have not done my eyebrow. That is why you can see it is really not settled. And I have not done my upper lips, my chin. Now the question arises, how do I get rid of this unwanted upper lips hair and chin hair? So here I am with this amazing video in which I would be discussing quick, easy, do-it-yourself home recipe. Well, I will suggest two easy ways you can follow, whatever you like and whatever suits you. Well, the first way is there are three ingredients in this processor, and that is lemon, sugar and water. Now what you need to do, take a bowl and squeeze lemon in it and add sugar to it. Let it melt. If you find that it is still very thick, you can add a little bit of water to it and let the sugar, lemon, everything dilute well, and you will see that the consistency of the pack is little bit thick. So now here starts the processor. When the thick pack is prepared, what you have to do is you have to evenly apply it on the upper lips and chin part and let it stay there for 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, those who are having very sensitive skin like I do not rub it too hard. Your skin can have blemishes. What you can do is you can simply little bit of massage in a circular way, and you will see what will happen is, because of sugar, the stickiness that sugar has, a lot of hair would be removed, and because you have used lemon, a lot of hair would bleach. So in total you would see that after a week of doing this processor, you will see that the growth of the hair has reduced a lot, and the hair that was there has I would not say that have vanished, but yes, it has almost been negligible. Now the question arises, how long you have to do this processor? Well, only for 10 to 15 minutes you have to keep it there till it dries well and become a thick pack, and then you can do the processor. Now the second processor is very easy. It comprises of only 3 ingredients like the previous one, and that are again lemon, sugar and honey. Need to do, take a bowl and squeeze lemon in it and add sugar to it and let it dilute. Add to it honey and then microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes till it become little bit warm. If it is too much hot, then keep it aside to be little cool down, and but it has to be warm. Then before you apply, I have a caution to tell you that before you apply on your upper lips and chin, do the skin testing that it is not too hot, okay? Otherwise you can have a problem. So now what you have to do is just apply in the similar way what you did in the first processor, and let the pack be there for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can simply, in a circular motion, just rub it in a circular motion. Then this you have to do for 7 days at least, and every alternative days you can do it. So well, these were the easy 2 ways. In case you found my video really interesting, informative, and would help you in some way, then do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Please hit the red bell icon, guys. I want a lot of subscriptions. Thank you.